Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best folding electric scooter for adults you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Among kids and adults alike, scooters have been one of the most popular ways of getting around for decades. In comparison to bicycles and motorcycles, it is much more affordable, convenient and fast. Recent years have seen an increase in popularity for adult electric scooters. Their zero carbon emissions make them eco-friendly because they provide automatic mobility. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Segway Ninebot MAX. Our list concludes with the Segway Ninebot MAX. You can keep this sleek, sophisticated model close wherever your commute takes you with its lightweight design and one-step folding system. Segway has enhanced the electric scooter market with its foldable design and powerful 350 watts motor. The maximum speed is 18.6 miles per hour, the maximum distance is 40 miles, and the maximum weight is 220 pounds. You will find the technology of this scooter to be superior to other models, with its LED display, ride control, Bluetooth capabilities, mobile app, and cruise control. With the Segway Ninebot MAX, you can't go wrong. On number 4, Glion Dolly Foldable Lightweight Adult Electric Scooter UL Certified. An electric scooter such as the Highboy MAX is another good option. With the MAX, you can fold the scooter instantly and efficiently with a one-step design. With its lightweight design and the ability to carry it one-handed, this scooter is perfect for commuters. A Bluetooth app is also available for Android and iOS on the Highboy MAX. Your scooter's statistics and essentials can be accessed with this. A 350-watt brushless motor powers this scooter's 17-mile range and 18.6 miles per hour top speed. It can go up 15% hills with no problems due to this. Large feet will not slide off the pedal due to its wide anti-slip surface. What do you do at night when you ride your scooter? You can be sure you're safe with dual headlights on this scooter. On number 3, Razor E Prime Air Folding Electric Scooter. We started with Razor in creating this list of folding electric scooters. A 250 watts brushless hub motor drives a rear-wheel drive system that is one of the best we've seen. The scooter has a fast charging battery that lets you travel up to 10 miles and only requires 2 to 3 hours to charge completely. In addition to having an airless rear tire, Razor's folding electric scooter has an 8-inch pneumatic front tire that ensures a smooth ride even on rough terrain. We meant it when we said that this is one of the finest scooters you'll come across. On number 2, MEGAWHEELS S5 Electric Scooter. It isn't difficult to see why this MEGAWHEELS folding electric scooter is one of the best on the market. The scooter has a 350-pound weight capacity and a dual drive mode that maximizes your range. Furthermore, it is able to handle hills of 15% grade, so you are able to take it anywhere you want. On number 1, GOTRAX GXL Commuting Electric Scooter. The new GOTRAX GXL Commuter is an adult electric scooter that is available from the company. Electric scooters are the most popular form of transportation, and this entry-level scooter offers many solid features. Under $300, this scooter has a long range and top speed, as well as a strong weight capacity. GOTRAX GXL is a great commuter bike that offers great portability. Even in a bus or train, this foldable electric scooter is easy to transport. With its level-activated folding design, it is very compact and adjustable. With 3 easy instructions for removing and inserting, assembly is also quick and easy. This folding scooter gives you a top speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of 9 to 12 miles at a full charge of 3 to 4 hours. Aside from the ease of throttle control, the GXL comes equipped with battery and distance indicators in the headrest, rubber grips, and IP54 waterproofing. The vehicle is also equipped with safety features, including a front and rear brake system and front and rear LED lights for improved visibility at night. Prices are available on the website. So guys, this was the video about the best folding electric scooter for adults. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.